how to fix Hotmail login loop issue. If you're facing a login loop issue on Hotmail, whether you're signing into hotmail.com from your browser or whether you're trying to sign in from the Outlook app, whatever the case is, if you go to the sign in button and if you're seeing a repeated loop, like even after you're entering your password, it's taking you back to the sign in page, the first thing you want to check is your internet connection and make sure it is stable, and make sure you're not using any type of VPN, proxy or private DNS settings in this case. So make sure to disable all that and try again. You can also try logging in from the same device on where you used to log in your Hotmail or Microsoft account quite often. That way you could avoid being blocked by security reasons. Otherwise, you can try to log into your account, and instead of trying to just log in using your normal password, you can select other ways to sign in and see if that helps you, or you could try to reset your password for once. So you can click on the forgot your password button to reset it and see if that helps you. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.